it! Otis saving Mandy!
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. New mic, who dis? Today we're going to be making some ribs in the oven, really simple and quick. So I'm using lamb ribs today. I feel they're very underrated, so we're going to have a crack with them. Already portioned up by the butcher. Like and subscribe. Let's get you started. Alright, to start with, get your ribs. I'm using lamb ribs like I said, and mine are already portioned up. You can use a full rack. My butcher's just portioned these up already. Pop them in a tray, salt them a little bit, pour some apple cider vinegar into the tray, just so there's a sort of a really shallow covering on the bottom. Tin foil it up and pop them in the oven at
180 degrees. 180 degrees.
C for an hour and 15 minutes. Take them out after an hour and 15 minutes, remove the foil.
I like what you've done here.
So as mine are already portioned in singles, I've bunched them together just to apply some seasoning. Using Moroccan Spice, you can buy this in any supermarket. Once they're covered, pop them back in the oven for 15 minutes and you're good to go. Thanks for watching that one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta and farewell.